Hey guys, today little update on the Trophäus tank, or let's say to show you a new material that I received lately that you already see, but maybe not detecting it really. And this is a lightning system. It's a new LED lamp from Aquagro. As you can see, it's coming in such kind of box. So this is a first impression that you get when you receive the box. You say, it's a bit cheap packaging, I would say. Nevertheless, it's not a Chinese product, Aquagro. It's a German company, I guess started 2-3 years ago, straight targeting aquascaping with some equipment. One of them, this is the lighting system. And okay, you see the website right now, and they are offering different the Solid LS. This is a recent one, I would say a cheaper first entry level with maybe a bit less option. And the one that I took and I will show you today, this is a Unique FS for Unique Full Spectrum. And this is a more featured, or let's say supposedly the best option that you can get. This is a 1m20, 1200 version, and this is the biggest one. Feel free to check on the website directly, you will have a nice presentation and you will see all the prices are online. So it's transparent and it is quite fine. I mean, the owner of the shop is very nice guy. You can ask him a lot of explanation, information, and so on. Before that, if you want, give a try to this lamp. So on the left, with the discus, you have the Shiro 120, and on the right, you have the Shiro is still on position, as you can see, and here, this is a FS 1200. This is not the same color, as you can see, but this is more or less the same design. It's a sleek one, very minimalist, and I would say it's easy to hide the lamp. It doesn't bother you so much, and this is one of the key points. And what I'm looking for at first place, this is the design, because I like the design tank. After that, regarding the color, so the Shiro is always black, the WRGB2 is always black, and this one I haven't checked so much, but I guess it is a metal color. It will be fine when we will set it up on the alu profile of the tank. I would say it is a bit thinner, a few millimeters thinner, but the main difference, this is, okay, the Shiro is not started, but believe me, this is WRGB for white RGB, but in reality this is just RGB, so you have the three colors, and this is superposition of all three colors that give you the sensation of white, where this one has many more different LED, and the basis, this is two kind of white. You have, that you can see here, you have just the warm white currently started, and I will show you in few seconds the cold white. I will show you in few seconds. The equipment is there. This is an enormous adapter. If I show you the Shiro adapter, it's a quarter of the size complete, but this big box is not heating at all, and is waterproof, so it's a good sign as well. This guy, this is a Wi-Fi controller. This is also an improvement because the Shiro is still adapter as a Bluetooth controller integrated in it, and I don't know why, but maybe because it's located close to each other, I tried with Shiro to find a solution, but I really have to come here as close as here with a smartphone if I want to manage and to change the settings of the lamp. And this is something really bothering me, I would say. And thanks to this, when you are succeeding in the configuration of this VLAN controller, after that you can be anywhere in your home. Even if you are not in the same room, you will be able to change the settings of your lamp. So this is a very nice stuff. The other interesting thing, this is you can connect through a web interface. And this is what I will show you. So you have the smartphone, of course, to change the settings, but you can also come in parallel with a web browser on it. After that, what I would like to show you, I'm wondering if it's not a base of Arduino that is used for this controller, and the quick settings that I would like to change. Interface is quite basic. This is probably still ongoing, I would say. Configuration of the Wi-Fi is here, and it's something that I played 1 hour yesterday in order to, I would say, yeah, more the light, huh? We get it. To get it working properly, when you start the light, you have 2 modes, AP mode and Wi-Fi mode. AP mode, this is, you start with this mode. In fact, you connect directly to the light with your smartphone, with the Wi-Fi. And thanks to this first access, you are able to setting the Wi-Fi of the lamp, to make your Wi-Fi accepted and so on. You get the point. So what you can see here, this is a manual controller. I can maybe do this, and you have what I'm playing with currently. This is the 2 whites that I was talking about. Okay, so here already you have nice intensity, but you are on the white spectrum. So here you have the cold white, a bit on the left. On the right, this is the yellow white. Okay, so you can already really be precise on the intensity of the white without having a kind of issue with the coloration not intense enough of the RGB for you to get a white sensation, I would say. Okay, so now I can, it's a bit pity that there's no the color here, I would say. You have another canal that you can see, the red. I will turn Shiro mode. So RGB, Shiro on the left is using this superposition. You see? And you still have on the right a little piece of white that I haven't turned off. Wait, I guess I still have here, you see, 10%. So here I'm really playing with RGB. Boom. Okay. And if you want to have the white sensation, you have to push this RGB quite strong. Feel free to check the website to get all the intensity. I can put the maximum of 3 RGB. You see, this is RGB full. You can compare. Here it's 30%, 20% of the power of the Shiro, and here this is playing 100% on just 3 channels. Okay, and after that you have a quite funny one. So I turn back off, up all the 3, and this is this one. This one is supposed in the smartphone application. It's purple. In fact, you see, when you play with purple, you have this line with different color, and you can see some orange LED, some pink or purple LED, some deep blue LED. And this is the idea of full spectrum sold with this, proposed with this system. This is the idea that you can compose and be precise and to get a very realistic for your eyes spectrum, but also for the plant, for the fish, of course, but also for the plant. And if I put a little bit of everything, you have you can see all the LED. Here it will be easier because you are wondering, hey guys, why there's nothing in the middle. Here, just you can see on the Shiro it's opaque glass. You have the same one. I haven't put it for you to see a bit more easier the LED. When you put it, it's a bit more diffuse and superposition is even better, I would say. So today that's all. It's a long video, sorry guys. I still not editing the video, so I hope it's nevertheless interesting for you to go over a quick overview of this new product. This is AquaGrow 1200. Where is it? Ah, you can see the specificity, the spec. Here maybe you get it, here maybe you get it, yeah, you get it. So you have all the information and you can see the quantity of lumen and the power of the adapter. So we will see in the next days. We will start other project. So keep checking the video. You will see it's the future of this tank will come very soon. And after that, I guess I will do a little comparison between the Shiro. I will start it, and maybe I will check different kind of object and so on. I take profit that we have both tank. Maybe I could do a comparison here with the water and the fish, of course. But I can use this empty tank to put some object and to see the behavior or what you can get as feeling. Between only RGB and between a real white RGB and double white, I would say, full spectrum LED lamp. So, stop talking. Hope that everything is going fine from your side and that you are enjoying your fish keeping activities. Ciao guys!